How to make a great first impression. Hello, everyone. Have you ever met someone and instantly felt drawn to them? Or maybe you had a first meeting that didn't go well. First impressions matter a lot. Studies show that people form an opinion about you within the first few seconds of meeting you. That means how you present yourself in those moments can have a lasting impact. So today, let's talk about how to make a great first impression. Whether it's for a job interview, a social event, or meeting someone new for the first time. Before you even say a word, people notice your body language. Imagine meeting someone who stands up straight, makes eye contact, and offers a friendly smile. Now, compare that with someone who slouches, avoids eye contact, and barely acknowledges you. Who would you feel more comfortable talking to? Good posture, eye contact, and a genuine smile can make a huge difference. They show that you are confident, open, and approachable. Also, be mindful of small gestures, like nodding when someone speaks or keeping your hands relaxed rather than crossed. These little things make you appear more friendly and engaged. Another important factor is how you dress. People often say, "Don't judge a book by its cover," but in reality, we all do. The way you dress and groom yourself plays a big role in how others see you. This doesn't mean you have to wear expensive clothes, but dressing appropriately for the occasion shows respect and effort. For example, if you're going to a job interview, wear professional attire. If you're meeting someone for a casual coffee chat, go for neat and comfortable clothing. The key is to look well put together, because when you look good, you feel good and that confidence shines through. When meeting someone for the first time, how you introduce yourself sets the tone. A great introduction includes a warm greeting, a firm, but not too strong, handshake, and a clear, confident voice. Instead of simply saying, "Hi, I'm Alex," try something more engaging. "Hi, I'm Alex. It's really nice to meet you. I've heard great things about this event and was looking forward to meeting new people here." This not only introduces you but also invites conversation. If shaking hands isn't common in your culture, a small nod or a friendly wave works just as well. Many people think making a good impression is all about talking, but listening is just as important, if not more. When you truly listen to someone, it shows you care about what they have to say. One simple trick is to use active listening. Making eye contact, nodding, and responding naturally. For example, if someone talks about their recent vacation, instead of just saying, "Oh, that's nice," you could say, "That sounds amazing. What was the best part of your trip?" This keeps the conversation flowing and makes the other person feel valued. Another key to a good first impression is positivity. People are naturally drawn to those with a positive attitude. If you constantly complain or talk about negative experiences, it can make the conversation uncomfortable. Instead, focus on being optimistic and showing enthusiasm. That doesn't mean you have to be overly cheerful, but maintaining a positive attitude helps create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. At the same time, be authentic. People appreciate honesty and sincerity. Don't try to impress others by pretending to be someone you're not. If you don't know something, admit it. If you have a different opinion, express it respectfully. Being genuine builds trust and helps you form real connections. How you say something is just as important as what you say. Speaking too fast can make you seem nervous, while speaking too slowly might make you seem uninterested. Try to keep a natural and steady pace. Also, be mindful of your tone. A friendly, warm tone makes people feel comfortable, while a harsh or uninterested tone can push them away. If you're in a professional setting, avoid using too much slang, but if you're with friends, speaking casually is perfectly fine. Adapting to the situation is key. Making a great first impression doesn't end after the first meeting. If you want to leave a lasting impact, following up is a great idea. After meeting someone at an event or a job interview, sending a quick message or email to say, "It was great meeting you," can strengthen the connection. Even in social situations, a simple follow-up can make a difference. If you met a new friend at a gathering, sending a friendly text like, "Hey, it was really nice talking to you today. Hope to see you again soon," keeps the conversation open. Making a great first impression is not about being perfect. It's about being confident, respectful, and engaged. Remember to use open body language, dress appropriately, introduce yourself with confidence, listen actively, stay positive and be yourself, speak clearly and naturally, and follow up when necessary. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. So the next time you meet someone new, take a deep breath, smile, and put your best foot forward. You never know. This first impression could lead to an amazing opportunity. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this helpful. See you next time.